Hi, welcome to another module of Mobile Apps Arbitrage course. In this video, I'll show you how you would finally submit your application to Google Play Market. By now, I'm sure you might have enjoyed the process of creating apps as well as creating data for your applications. And I'm sure it was pretty easy to create in Google Apps, and of course a free process. So now everything comes to this. Now we need to submit our created apps to Google Market. So let me check. Yep, it is submitting app on video on Google Play. So let's go to Google Market. This is the URL, that is play.google.com/apps/publish. I will paste it to our worksheet. Play URL. Okay, and click enter. So if you already don't have it, then you need to click on sign up, and okay, if you have a Google account in here, you can always sign in here. So it's pretty easy process. You just click on sign in and they would ask you to pay for $25 fees. You pay it and you get your account ready in like matter of minutes. And once you have your account ready, you need to log in into that. I've created a new account to show you how everything works. Alright, I don't have any apps there. The most important thing is you need to update your content as per the July 31st policy of Google Play. I have been through the complete policy. So the most important part for information app creators like us, because we create applications on information products. Alright, so important part is, first, do not fill your app with affiliate links so it looks like a spam app. You should not do that. Alright, and overall Google just want to make sure that you provide a good user experience. So the next step would, of course, once you have this Google Play account, you need to click on upload application. Select your application's APK file. This is the file that has been generated from AppGeyser, and we have saved it. Okay, so we'll browse to it. This is our software. This is our folder where we have kept the file. And here's the file, Baby Shower Secrets 2012. Just double click on it and click on upload. Now Google would upload your file. Alright, so it is completed. Once you see this, click on save. Has been saved successfully. That means your application, your APK file, is uploaded successfully. Now this is the another important part of the app creation process. You need to add at least 2 screenshots here with these sizes. Alright, you can have 2 screenshots of exactly this size, or you can have one of this size and another one of 480 into 800. Same way, another compulsory action is you need to have one 512 into 512 application. Okay, so let me show you what this actually is. Let's go back to Google Play Market and check for the relevant apps in our niche. As you might be remembering, we are creating an app on baby shower planner. Okay, so let me copy paste it here and search. Alright, so in order to understand that why Google needs all these images, you can simply click on anything, any of the sample application. Okay, and you will see why it's doing that. So this icon, this is a 512 into 512 image that you have to upload from this field. It would be visible here. So this particular image needs to stand out. You know, this is very important. If it does not stand out, then you would be losing clicks. You need people to see your description and click on install from mobile phones. Okay, and this is the second part. This is an app description. So I don't know whose app is this, but he has just copy paste the complete PLR stuff. He's using the same PLR item that I'm using in the demonstration, this demonstration app. That is why I have recommended to get a fresh PLR items on different topics. although you can start with the one provided in members area. And further, if you read about this app, the app has almost 9 ratings and it was updated last in 2011. It's a pretty old app, and it already have installs between 5,000 to 10,000. However, it's a free app, so this guy might be making money from from advertisements. All right, and its price is free. And finally, these are the screenshots. If I click on it, you could see these are the screenshots that you need to provide. This guy has provided 4 screenshots, but Google is okay with the 2 screenshots. So let's get back to our developer console. Screenshot. So for screenshot, as you remember that we have taken a screenshot using the Jing software in one of the videos before. So you need to browse to that screenshot. Here it is. Here you can actually see our images. So as per Google, we need 320 into 480 screenshot. So here we already have 320 into 480 screenshot, but if you check the another folder in the downloads, it's called images. I have provided one PST template and one more template, which is 512 into 512 JPG template. So you would have access to these templates. So what is the purpose of these templates? That I'll show you. If you have a basic knowledge of Photoshop, you could do it. You could edit it quickly in a moment. So for that, let me go to my PLR folder from where I have taken the baby shower sales page ebook. If you remember, in video number 2, we have taken this PDF and converted it into text. And here we have baby shower sales letter. You will find it in every ebook that is available in the PDF package. Click on unzip, close it. You could close this folder, and here you will get everything related to the sales letter. Well, this is our baby shower sales letter. It's a very nice PLR. Okay, now what we need from here is the images. We are not taking any description from the sales page. We are taking images. So the first thing is, you can simply copy various images like this and this. Right click, copy into our work folder, which is this. Paste it here. So what we are doing right now, we are preparing our first 2 images to upload here. All right, and we're gonna use the images that has been provided in the members area. You can always copy these images and paste it into the folder. Here they are. So now, as I've told you before, we need to make sure that our image should stand out from the crowd, because this is what gets us most of the sales. So first thing you could do is you could always edit this PSD folder. If you have Photoshop, just double click on it. Okay, here it is. This is something from my last tab, so I'm gonna delete this layer. Okay, and now browse to your images. Alright, I'll be taking images from this folder. For example, you could simply take this one. This is the one we have taken from our Duda mobile account. Select all and right click, and you can copy. Sorry, you need to press Ctrl and plus C. Come back to this layer and press Ctrl plus V. Okay, and now you need to resize this. For this, you could click on Ctrl plus T to transform. Why we are transforming it? So that it should fit in our template. We actually don't need to use this mobile image because we already have a mobile image. Alright, it fits there. Apply. And now file, save as. In baby shower app, you can save save it as JPEG image. You can name it like 1. Save. Okay. So here we have our first image. This is 1.jpg, which is 320 into 480, and second one, we need one more image. So for that, I would recommend to take some nice content, because it's not good to take same image again. So what you can do is you could go to the course file. Alright, like this, and you could simply copy paste the table of contents. Again, using the Jing software, just select some of the content, you don't need to show all. Okay, capture image, save in the baby shower folder, just save it, close, and close the ebook. Let's go back to our folder. Okay, here's that image. So the next part is, you already have this image saved, so you can simply drag this layer 1 and delete this image. Alright, and click on Ctrl O and open this image by double clicking it. This is a pretty big image, so you again need to select this complete image, press Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V here. Oops, now to you need to resize it, then press Ctrl plus T and resize it here. Okay, here it is. Apply. Okay, and now just again save as JPEG. Some people call it JPEG, and give it a number 2.jpg. Okay. Now we have our second image, that is 2.jpg. You can see that. And the first image. Okay, and again, now Google says that you need one more image of 512 into 512 dimension. Alright, so I have already provided you another template for 512 into 512. Here it is. You already have this image. So what you can do is you could open it on your Photoshop software. You can use all these things using normal Paint software too, but I like Photoshop, so I go for it. Alright, and now you need to make it so creative that it should stand out from the crowd. So you could always do various stuff. For now, I'm gonna open my ebook, select it and paste it. Okay. Alright, it looks good. So this is my way of making this particular image, baby shower revealed. Now go to File, Save As, again JPEG, and you could name anything. I prefer naming it as number 3. Save. Okay, so now we have our third image 3D, which is this one, 3.jpg. But you could still make certain changes by using a normal Paint. And I'm using Windows 7 because I still want to make it stand out from the crowd. This arrow sign, this red arrow sign, it works wonder. This is something which actually attracts attention. Okay, so this is, I guess, enough. Press Ctrl S. So we have our third image ready. Why we are showing this arrow sign? Because we want a person to click on the text, and It's a very nice trick. I have tested it myself, and it definitely increase the number of downloads. So now we have our all three images ready. Now let's get back to our Google developers account. You need to browse it. Click on browse. First image, upload. Here's the first image. Click on add another. Browse. Second image, upload. Okay, this is a second image. Now again browse it and upload your 512 into 512 image. This one, click on upload. Okay, now for these fields just leave them as it is and make sure to tick this particular part. It's a good practice to give a privacy policy, but again it is something which is an optional field. Well, now here comes the most important part of this whole MAA course, because this description and title would help us ranking our app on top of Google. Okay, so the title should be a very simple title. We are doing it on the baby shower, so we'll go for like baby shower planning 2012. This is my way, again mentioning an year. And then the description, this is again a very important part. So how to get a description? First of all, Google has given us 4,000 characters, which is more than enough to describe our application to the potential buyer. So what I do is I go to my PLR folder again. Okay, click on index.html and just get a basic stuff, basic headlines, because these are the tested headlines from the creators. So simply go from these headlines, copy developer console and paste. That's all. We won't take much data from it. And again, you could still focus on this particular part by using arrow or any other creativity. Google do allow it. There's no problem with these using these symbols. Now the important aspect, if you remember in the video 1 when we did our niche research, we get the keywords like these, right? So it is the time, this is the place where you need to use this keyword in the description and sensefully. As per the Google Place policy updated on 31st July, you cannot just stuff all your keywords in it, alright? All your keywords, what you're going to use in here, should make sense. So I'll show you how I do it. First of all, you need to describe your application, something like planning for your baby shower. Don't miss this app, as it would help you to make the most memorable day of your life. Like you, I'm also a buyer of certain mobile courses, and amazingly all those courses that I have purchased from Warrior Forum or from anywhere else, the author do not emphasize on these on the description part. As per them, you could simply have this kind of description and list it. And let me tell you, this description is what would get your apps on the top of Google Play page, so that buyer could download it. You could not ignore it. Make sure to use all the keywords that we have described here in your content, some or the other way. I'll show you. Here are some features of our app. Okay. Now see it carefully how I'm going to use the keywords. First, now because we don't know much about what is the course content, you could always go to the sales letter and see what they say. This is a nice line. Simply copy paste that. Second, let me use my keyword. The keyword is baby heartbeat monitor. So you could use something like this ebook. For now, let's avoid these keywords because we do not have anything directly to, we don't, our contents won't make any sense if we use these keyword directly. So let's go with our main keyword, baby shower planner, the most comprehensive ebook on, copy and paste your keyword. Third, baby booth. We have certain information on baby booth. Now the thing is, I have been through some part of the this ebook, so yes, there is certain information available on baby booth. In case if you have a keyword and you do not have any information about that keyword in your actual blog, then you could always go back to your blog and mention this keyword and some information about this. Alright, do not just mention it for the sake of mentioning this particular keyword. This won't look good. Baby unicorn. This is not related to our content again, but anyways, this is the golden keywords. We need to use all of them. So what we can do is free baby unicorn pictures download. Now you'll ask me that we don't have any baby unicorn pictures. Once again, the best part about whole thing is we are doing it on our own WordPress blog. Go back to your blog and upload some baby unicorn pictures from Google. Okay, but we need to have this keyword because these are the golden keywords, and this will get our application download. Baby Zoe, baby heart monitor, free. Okay, now let's baby quotes. Yes, awesome baby quotes. I put some time in creating content, but for the sake of the video, I'm doing it pretty fast. Awesome baby quotes for the big day. Baby general. Ways to keep track of baby general. Guys, let me tell you again that although I am using this, but this is the information that I would edit in my blog if it is not already present in it. Okay, so we need to make sure we don't mention anything here which is not available in the blog. Everything should be presented in our baby shower blog. You could definitely edit the blog later on. Baby sign signal, 10 ways to read baby sign languages. Baby dress up, tried and tested tips on baby dress up. Free baby games, and because we have a game as a keyword, but we already used baby dress up here, so we don't need to use the whole keyword again. Baby organization, your own handy baby organizer. Baby week by week, simple explanation to track your baby week by week. Alright, now you might ask that we didn't include some more keyword here because these are nowhere related to our basic keyword, that is baby shower planning. But what you can do is you could simply use something like note: our blog do not contains anything about baby heartbeat monitor incubator or incubator, please refer to your doctor for this sensitive information. Alright, I have used this line that please refer to your doctor for this information because these are some I know these are some medical related word, and we do not want to provide any fake information. Everything should be true. And in case if you could get some content on baby heartbeat monitor, or another way, if you could get a product on Amazon.com for baby heartbeat monitor, and you could definitely link it on your blog, then you could go ahead and mention something like a great place to get your own baby heartbeat monitor, etc. Okay, so we almost have all of the keywords. In last, you should always mention one small disclaimer. Okay. For just $1.97, this is the price that I prefer using for your application. Sometime I even tried with $2, so but this one actually 1.77 is the one which I think converts better than any other price point. You are getting access to our professionally managed blog. We would keep you updated on latest information about baby shower and other baby stuff. Now, why did I do that? See, once again, we want that Google should see our app as a quality application. Okay, so this disclaimer actually informs our potential customer that they are actually getting an access to the managed blog, which would help them to stay updated with their topic. So once in a while, you could always go back to your blog and update it with more information, and your customer would be happy to return. Rather than some ebook which provides one-time information, a blog provides continuous updating information. So I guess that's all in this description area. You could always make it much better than this, and you should provide more and more information about your product, about your application in this particular area. And I cannot put much focus on it, but you need to include all the golden keywords to get the most traffic. Recent version, you can leave it as it is, or you could name it as like 1.1, 2.1, anything you want. Application type, this is an application. And category, you should always go for the one which suits your application. I would go like it may go lifestyle. Copy protection, make it off. Content rating, everyone, low maturity. See, this is something you have to decide yourself. Baby shower reveal is, I think, it cannot be fit for everyone because there might be some kids browsing around. So I would go for low maturity, because if someone is reading about baby shower, so probably the guy, the couple already have a baby and they want more information on this. Now here it is free. Actually, I have created this new Google account, so it shows it doesn't show the option of paid listing. It doesn't show that. So if obviously once you create your own Google Play account and set up a Google checkout account, that is a free of cost thing, you would see a paid option there and the price option. You just need to select the paid option and enter your price, and that's all. Rest everything is same. In the end, you need to provide your okay. Here you could mention any of your website. It is a compulsion to mention some website here. Right now I'll go for your website here .com. Okay, phone, you don't need to provide phone. This is not a compulsory field. And then this you need to check mark both of these options. Okay, Now let's check everything again. If everything looks great, click on save. Well, as I have selected is a free, once you decided to make your application free, you cannot make it paid again, alright? But as this is my new account and I just wanted to show you how to submit an application, I made it free. You should always go for paid apps, because the more paid apps you have, the more money you'll make. As simple as that. Right now, let's make it free. Okay. Successfully saved. Next part is click on APK files and click on activate. Okay. Then finally click on publish. It is again asking me, you are publishing? Yes, we want to publish it for free. Click on OK. Well, here it is. You have successfully listed your app. You don't need to advertise it. It would be visible in the Google Market shortly. So this is all in the app creation module. Again, the most important things are is to have everything organized in proper folders. Okay, so I guess that's all in the app submission to Google Play. I'm sure I'll be updating more videos, and I would love to I'd love to know your views. For anything, you could contact me on the support email address. That's all. Thank you for watching all the videos on mobiles app arbitrage. The key to success in this whole mobile business is to create as many applications as you can, and you could of course outsource the complete application business to your outsourcers or virtual assistant. More on this later. For now, thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.